人该上座的，看危险不危险，都已经出走2辆车了，2辆车已经冲走了，连人带车都冲走了，那个司机还在车上坐。
An operation is underway to rescue passengers submerged in waist-deep flood waters on a subway train in China. The passengers were traveling in Zhengzhou, in central Henan province on Tuesday, when they became stranded amid the rising water. Henan province has been hit hard by heavy rain in recent days, resulting in flooding that has affected more than a dozen cities. At least one person has died and 2 are missing, state media report. On Tuesday, Zhengzhou's entire subway system was forced to close. Video and images posted to social media show people standing on train seats to try to keep above the water. Henan province, home to 94 million people, has had an unusually active rainy season. More than 10,100 people have been relocated since 16 July, according to state media. The province's meteorological station issued a red warning, the highest alert, for heavy rain on Tuesday. Rains are set to continue in the region for the next 24 hours. Zhengzhou recorded more than 200 millimeters of rain in 1 hour on Tuesday. A number of highways have closed and some flights have been delayed or cancelled.